Hey guys, welcome back to brickrigs. I thought we would check out the garage and see what kind of vehicles are here. Now, I subscribe to some of these, but of course we're not going to look at all of them. Okay guys, only a handful. Full. This is a cute little car. And we already have the speed wobbles. Isn't that nice? And no guys, I have no idea who made this. Here, let's go back and find out. I guess it was him. Cool. Okay, we're gonna check out this car. And he made it. Cool, cool, cool. Let's find out what this car can do. It's a nice little car. Here, let's go in here. Oh, it's further than I anticipated. Well, oh, we just did that. We're not going to tell anybody that we did that, okay, guys? We're just going to keep that on a hush hush. Okay, guys? Next car we're going to look at is by this guy. I guess that's the author's name. We're going to replace with this. See, guys, I love these types of cars. I love these cars, guys. It's nice. Oops. And we won't tell anyone that we did that. We're just gonna drive up the hill again, guys, and that's about it. Oh, there's actually something else up here. We can free cam, but you know what? Driving is better. And they recently, or not recently, but a couple years ago, they remastered this game and they updated it. And if you go watch another YouTuber's videos on this, they have them dating back before all this updates, and the building was different. Oh my. The back end really goes out on you on this one. But yeah, everything was different. This was never here, guys. It was never here. They really did a fantastic job on this game. See, the farther we go up here, we're gonna see snow. Snow! Snow! Yep. I love what they did to the game, guys. if you can't tell. Ooh. I think we're in trouble, guys. Can we please make it up? Ooh. Please? Nope. Looks like we're gonna have to do free cam, guys. I didn't want that, but you know what? Oh well. When you're falling off a cliff and it's a game, all bets are off. Look at this, guys. It's amazing. And of course, I go, see, look at this game. It's like a different game already, guys. See, we never had this over here at all. We had this over here. We had this, we had that, the little airstrip over there. We had the town, and we had that little oil factory over there, and we always had this mansion, but it was a dirt road leading up to it, and it was more over here. Now they have it going over here now. Yeah, but yeah. It's amazing what the developers have done. And one more car, guys. That's what we're gonna do. And this is a drifting car, if you can't tell. You see how the wheels go like that? It's a drifting car. I suck at drifting, but you know what? Let's see if I can do it. Oh! And I died. Isn't that spectacular? Okay, well, never mind the drifting, guys. It's a nice little car, though. Look at my character. He's all the way back. Nope, his little rump is not down past there. Okay, well, hey. There you go, guys. There you have it. It's amazing. And I just remembered that we didn't look at his name. Oh. Well, there you go. That's his name. But yeah, guys. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciative of it. Please, if you could, hit the like button. Subscribe if you will. It really helps me out. Thank you, guys.